Well, I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds, and I want to tell you it's great here, day 2 at this wonderful conference where the National Association of Career Colleges have joined up with the Career Colleges of Ontario, sharing ideas, collaborating, best practices. It's all playing out here on day 2, and it's so fun to be in this conversation. Why don't you introduce yourself? Tell us what you do.
My name is Paoletta, and I'm the Director of Applied Arts for Protege School. We're a career college located in Scarborough on the east end of Toronto.
Protege, what kind of programs do you offer, Angela?
So we specialize in massage therapy, medical aesthetics. We also have a certified aromatherapy program and a young hairstyling program.
Oh, wow. And a great uptake. Are people really enjoying the programs?
I believe so. We are continually growing with our intakes, so that's always good.
Yeah, aromatherapy. Now, that's not a program you see offered all across the country.
No.
Talk to me a little bit about it.
I believe we're the only school right now that has certified aromatherapy and an OSAP program as well.
Right. And how long are the programs normally?
So they're over a year, all of our programs. So it really depends. The massage therapy is 88 weeks. The certified aromatherapy actually is a year, just a year. The medical aesthetics is about a year and a half as well.
And that's a mixture, of course, of theory and practical, is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, talk to me about the importance of the practical aspect.
The practical, that's what makes these trades what they are. If the students don't get enough practice, then they're not ready to go out into the work field and become successful. People who are hiring want people who can go in there, do the haircuts without, granted with the hairstyling program, there is the apprenticeship that is required. But other than that, our students, we give them the practice, they can go out and get work as soon as possible.
Now, you come to an event like this, so you've got a lot of colleges here in the room from across the country. What does it mean to be able to be in a conversation with people that are doing similar work to you?
Oh, it's great. It's good to see. I just met a young lady last night who actually is a neighboring school to us. They offer similar courses. So it's good. It's good to get feedback. It's good to see what other schools are doing, how they get students and how they're running their programs. It's inspirational, motivational.
Right. Yeah. Sometimes it can be competitive in that room, I'm sure, as you just pointed out, but also sharing of ideas, so vitally important, right? Where one person may have tried something that worked or didn't work.
Well, the competitive part, I think, I think those trade secrets we keep to ourselves, but it's really good to see how everyone is running their business, because I think at the end of the day, everybody here wants their students to receive a great education. That's their concern, and so when you have that as the drive, I think it makes everybody successful, whether you're competitors in the same field or not.
I've had the great pleasure of visiting Protege, as you know, and your approach to learning is really quite wonderful. In fact, you break down the barriers to the students to come into your programs, help them with financial issues, and
That's right.
sort of walk them through that whole entry process, because as you know, there'd be 1,000 reasons why you shouldn't do something, but you help them break down those barriers, put real sort of experienced people in front of them, and then help them on the other end to get a job. And that's a wonderful approach to education, not often found, but yet you guys seem to do it. Why is that holistic approach so important to you?
Well, I think one of our major things that we look for in an instructor is that they're active in the field still. They might do something on the side, but they are still active. And if because they're at work with us and they can't be active, we offer training to keep them updated with what's going on in the field. And I think that that's what our students really appreciate, is that our instructors, especially in the practical component, that they can really give them real life experience and tricks of the trade and techniques and things like that can be effective.
When I was at Protege not so long ago, it was graduation day.
Yeah.
It was a fairly emotional day, watching people sort of their lives being transformed, taking on something new, feeling empowered. Talk to me about that day for you.
Well, graduation, I won't talk about the preparation, because that's the headache. But that day is amazing. It's so good to see all the students, the students who struggled, the students who we saw were like fantastic from day one, the students who even, so many of our students are ESL, and to see them achieve that success at the end and knowing that we were part of that, it's really a great feeling.
And it's an absolute pleasure to be in conversation with you.
Thank you.
And thank
Good
you
to
for
see you
your
again.
It's wonderful to see you.
Yeah.
Keep up the great work there at
Thank you
Protege.
so much. Thank you. You as well.